table that is sitting behind the family room couch. As you can see, it's hidden from display, but I'm going to show you how I made this out of supplies that I had at home. All the wood I had hanging out outside, and the paint and everything. So this is a zero cost table. So I'm applying a just chalk paint white coat to this is the top or the base. To get that chippy look, I am applying some Vaseline to the legs, so it's really easy to scrape off the paint when or after it dries. Scraper to give it that chippy look. Assembling the legs, I'm just adding some wood screws in and making an L out of two 1x2s. And now I'm just adding the legs. I'm just putting in 2 wood screws per leg at the top. It was very simple. It took me just a few minutes to actually put together. Just had to wait for paint to dry, but this is a really simple, basic design. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.